Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to my channel. I'm so grateful to you guys. Today I'm going to be making Nigerian authentic okra soup. It is actually one of my family favorites, so I make it often. And today I'm going to be making a large okra soup. This is it. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is a lot of okra. I'm going to be chopping this with my bare hands, so it's going to be a lot of work, but I have to do it, of course. Yeah, so guys, let's get started already. You don't need to waste much of the time. First I'm gonna start by washing, of course. I don't know if you guys can see me. My camera angle is not actually perfect. So I'm going to be washing this thoroughly with soap. This is a lot. This is a lot of okra. So why are you crying now? It is not easy to make to stay alone in the house and you're trying to make what do you want? Ah, God. Okay. That's dirty water. I'm going to be washing and chopping this in batches because of space. So touch and don't touch. While I'm cooking, it's catching everything on the floor. You. I did some of the chopping with this off camera. I grated some of it. So I'm done now. So all done. the meat I'm gonna be using. This is properly washed. So now I'm going to be adding some onions. Seasoning cube. Black pepper. My pink salt. Just going to stir this to combine. I've not added any water. This is just the water from the meat. So while the meat is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and blend my peppers. I'm making use of some red bell pepper and some scotch bonnet pepper. Chop some onions. I love lots of onions when I'm cooking okra soup. So the meat has been boiling for 10 minutes. So let's check. So we're going to add more water to enable the meat to cook properly. Okay guys, this meat has been cooking for 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. It's a very strong goat meat, so I needed it to be very tender. So I have checked on the meat off camera and it is perfectly cooked. Yeah. So I'll be making use of baby spinach and uziza leaf. You can as well make use of only this spinach. It is perfectly okay. You can make use of kale or spinach for your okra soup. Spinach and uziza leaf. So let me wash this thoroughly. So I'm gonna soak the uziza in hot water. This is dehydrated one, by the way, so I'll soak and wash it with hot water. So now it is time to start cooking. So now I go in with some palm oil and I go in with the onion. These are the typical. Next thing is some of the blended pepper. This. I'll add some crayfish powder, just a little. Few minutes, just few minutes. Okay. Go in with the protein. Yes. Remember the protein was seasoned. So now I'm going to add the dry fish. Add more crayfish. using one hand to make this food. My baby won't let me do anything. I mean, this soup have lasted more than 5 hours. This is something I'm supposed to make in less than 2 hours. 1 hour 30 minutes. Once I drop him, he starts screaming. That's great. You guys can see I'm using one hand. So this. I'm coming to get you. Oh God. Why are you doing like this? I want you to cook. Oh, you guys should pardon me. I'm using one hand to stir this. There's no one at home with me. I'm just alone with the baby, so he won't let me drop him down. So I just added a little water to this remaining pepper. Add a little more of the ground crayfish. Just a little bit. Okay. Add this spinach.